Today, continue on AWS Create web-based applications step by step. Before we already finished the tasks related to VPC and the subnet, and then Internet Gateway and the row tables already done. Today, we're going to create two EC2 instance, one for web, another one for database, on the different subnet. Before we do that, we are going to create three security groups which are used for different EC2 instance. Here is the task we're going to dealing with today. Security group, key pair, public EC2, private EC2. Security group, it is under EC2, is not under VPC. You get EC2 dashboard first. Click on the instance. No, it's not instance. We're not going to do the instance. We first create security group. Security group here is you just create one. Let's see, it's the web EC2. Let's see this one. We select EC2, right? Another thing is the inbound rule, outbound rules. Inbound rule. For this web server, we need three of them. SSH. Also, TTP. And then another one we need HTTPS, which is one we need three of them. For this one, can be anywhere. Choose this one. This one also anywhere. We chose this one. This one anywhere. Outbound, we just leave the what it is, and then we create this security group. This one created. Let's go another one. Another one will say NAT security group 2, right? Still on EC2. Inbound rule. This one will hold. We only need a HTTP. So with HTTP is one, and then HTTPS. To see you can bypass the SSH anywhere. Only what it is for outbound. Create the second one. Let's create the third one, which is DB1, EC2, EC2. This one, we do not give HTTP, we only need SSH. SSH, also, this one we have to limit it to the web server only. So web server is on 192 subnet, and then SSH only allow servers on 192 subnet to access it. All traffic output, same thing, we keep it created. So by now, let's see security group, right? What we have, we should have all of them. We have 2 of them. Security group 2, web, third NAT, right? So we have a security group set up. The next one, we create the key pairs. The key, you have choice now. You can create a PAM key or PPK key. This PAM key cannot used on like a simulator like a POTI, but KKYs can. But for some reason, I still created PAM key because we needed this guy to access database too. So here is key pair. Create. Here, result key to create a key pair. Yeah. So the key 2 is created, and then here it asks you what you're going to do. Save it or not? You've got to save it. The reason is you're going to save on your desktop. You're going to use that one. Finish downloading. Yeah. Key 2 is saved, right? So by now you know key 2 is saved on your desktop. That is the good news. So when the key 2 key pair created, the next one we're going to is a create EC2. There's 2 of them. One is for web server, public. Another one is for DB, private. So you're still on the EC2 dashboard. Go to instance. In instance, if you didn't select anyone, you just launch it. It is going to create a new one for you. We use the Red Hat one. This one, general purpose, is fine. Here's information you need to put in. Network, we select VPC2. Subnet, we select web 1, this web 1. Because web, for public IP, we enable it, auto assign. Basics is what you do. Storage, you really don't need to do anything, but for the tag, you are add some tag, say like can be the name. The name is, let's say it's a web EC2. EC2, right? Now let's you select. We're going to select what the why is not there. Should be there. Yeah, web. This one. You see the right strategy. You can use the HTTP, SSH, HTTPS. Review and launch. That'd be fine. Just launch. When you launch, you ask for a key. You said we already got key, right? We already have the key 2. So acknowledge it. Launch instance. Okay, use the launch. Let's create another one. instance. Okay, we launch another one. Same thing, we still use Red Hat, and then it's good enough. The next one here, it's selected to this one. We're using DB, right? This disabled because there's no public IP related to it. Storage doesn't care. We go at tag. Tag still name. DB is the EC2 and VPC2. Let's do this way. Next, we select the one. It is the DB one, right? DB1, select review, launch. So, launch it. We use the same key, create two, acknowledge it, launch instance. Okay, both instances launched already. And today, we already finished our task. Next time, we are going to talk to another EC2, which is type is different. It's not Red Hat. So here is the result. If you want to see it, you can see the EC2 instance. We have two of them. This created VPC2. This one, another one, VPC2, DB and web already running. Thanks for watching. See you next time for an NAT instance. Great.